Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Meta AI on WhatsApp Hide AI Button tutorial. So let's get started. So here we are in WhatsApp, and then from here, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna tap on the settings at the bottom right of our screen. So tap on that, and then once you are here, what you wanna do is that you wanna go here, tap on chats right here. So from here, you should be seeing something like this option right here. This is what you wanna search for right here under the chat settings if you have the Meta AI on your WhatsApp. So this option should appear, and all you have to do is turn that off, and then you would be able to hide WhatsApp Meta AI button here in your interface. But there is no way that you can delete the Meta AI on your WhatsApp because it is built in your app as soon as you have updated it to the latest version. So there is nothing that we can do in order for us to delete that. And then also in the future update, it might remove the show Meta AI button option right here that you are currently seeing. It might be removed, and it would leave no option for you to hide the AI button. So be mindful of that. And yeah, this is basically all you can do, which is to hide the Meta AI button. You cannot delete it. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.